So would you like to know the 7 ways you can lower your creatinine level fast to avoid kidney failure and dialysis? Well, that is what I want to share with you right away. You see, creatinine is a metabolic byproduct that floats around in our blood, and for most part of it, it is constantly made by our muscle when they break down phosphocreatine for energy. Normally, our kidney will help take care of extra creatinine and you can peel it right out. However, for those with less functioning kidney, this creatinine can build up, and if it builds up too high, it is extremely dangerous. So let's go over the 7 ways you can lower your creatinine level to avoid kidney problem. And the first thing you must do is to avoid any supplements that contain creatine. Now, aside from the natural creatine that our body makes, it is also available as an oral supplement. I mean, most athletes usually take this creatinine producing supplement to enhance their athletic performance. So my advice for anyone looking to lower their creatinine level is to avoid supplements that contains creatine or creatine phosphate. The second thing you can do is to reduce your protein intake. Eating too much protein, particularly in the form of red meat, cooked meat, or dairy products, can affect your creatinine level. It can put more stress on your kidney. So cut back on your protein intake. Alright, next is fiber. Eating fiber-rich foods like berry, apples, cabbage can be very beneficial to those with kidney problems. Fiber, for example, can bind to waste products in the gut, reducing their absorption and potentially lessening the burden on the kidneys. Now, apple, for example, contains a specific type of fiber called pectin, which helps lower cholesterol as well as blood glucose level, both of which can put stress on the kidney. Now, one study really showed a significant reduction in creatinine level in people with chronic kidney disease who increased their fiber intake. Now, lowering your salt level is another way to lower your creatinine level. Now, if you still eat a tremendous amount of salt or processed food that are high in sodium, this can actually affect your kidney's ability to regulate your creatinine level. They can put more stress on your kidney. So instead of eating all of those processed foods, all of those foods that are high in salt, I would definitely recommend you start eating whole food, foods that are unprocessed. Those are going to do a lot of wonders for your kidneys instead of eating all of those processed food that can damage your kidneys. And the fifth thing I will recommend, which is very important to lower your creatinine level, is to avoid intense exercise. Exercise like high intensity workout or strenuous exercise can increase your creatinine level, and the reason is very simple. When you are doing exercise, that is going to increase the breakdown of creatine to produce energy for your muscle to carry out this workout. So the end product of this creatine breakdown is creatinine. So if you are doing exercise, that is really going to increase your creatinine level, because the more the muscle activity, the more creatinine that your muscle is going to generate. So instead of, that is not to say that exercise is bad for you. Instead of doing this strenuous exercise, intense exercise, if your creatinine level is very high, you can switch to other lighter exercise like walking, jogging. It can be yoga. All of this can still be beneficial for your body. All right. Now, the sixth way to lower your creatinine level is actually to hydrate. Now, when you hydrate, that actually helps your kidney to flush out waste from your body. If you are dehydrated, all of this creatinine can concentrate in your blood because your kidney does not have enough water to flush them out of your body. So by hydrating, by increasing your water intake, that helps the kidney to flush out creatinine from your blood. And the last way to lower your creatinine level is to eat foods that contains omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fat, which you can find in foods like fatty fish, herring, salmon, sardine, tuna, trout. You can also find them in chia seed. All of these foods are high in omega-3 fatty acid. Now, these omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to help protect the kidneys by reducing inflammation in those blood vessels that helps filter waste in the kidney. Now, aside from that, omega-3 fatty acid also helps regulate the blood pressure, which is the most critical risk factor of developing kidney problem. So by taking omega-3 fatty acid, that is going to help heal your kidney, and that is going to help lower the odds of developing kidney problem. So if I were you, I would definitely start taking omega-3 fatty acid. Numerous studies have shown that taking omega-3 fatty acid could be a good natural way to lower your creatinine level. It has been confirmed by several studies. Alright? So if I were you, I would follow these 7 tips which I just shared with you in this video. Thanks for watching.